assume responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos? Mr.
No.
Chair? No. How about si Carl
Alam mo, ma'am,
Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things.
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
Specific ang law. Guilt is personal.
Now, what is guilt is personal. This phrase reflects a legal principle, which means only the person who committed the crime can be held accountable for it. Responsibility cannot be transferred to others. And of course, Risa doesn't know this since she hasn't studied law, like Duterte has.
Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Sa abogado. Sige,
Tanong
itanong ko po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal. So,
You know, ma'am, can I ask for a recess of just a
it's
few
all right,
minutes?
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Hearing suspended.
Can the chair talk to the senator? So, hindi mo nakuha yung policy ng presidente.
Nakuha ko po, policy
I
maker
was
din po
talking
ako.
about the policy. I take full responsibility. Yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can hold me
magpasok ka
responsible
ng
for any crime.
specific crime,
Yes, sir. You spoke
hindi
about
pwede yan. At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, pagdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to...
Your presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat tayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
the
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community.
Silence, please.
So, mas okay
Walang
kung
trabaho.
patayin sila kesa
Wala
ipreso
akong
sila.
pakialam dyan sa criminal, ma'am.
Yes, Mr.
Yun ang
Chair.
gusto nilang mangyari. Doon sila sa impyerno at doon tayo magkita.
Well, Mr. Chair, wala namang jurisdiction ng Senado sa impyerno. Dito lang sa bansa natin pwede tayong mag-investigate.
Doon tayo pupunta.
Well, wala po akong ambisyon pumuntang impyerno pa. Pero Mr. Chair, ang
Hirain
punto
kita,
lang
ma'am.
ito, ang punto lang...
Tapusin natin ito hanggang bukas. Huwag na tayong umalis dito.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Salamat kayo, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Chair. So,
Tapusin talaga natin ito. Tapusin natin ito dito ngayon. Huwag tayong umalis dito sa hanggang umaga. Umabot man tayo hanggang umaga bukas. Huwag tayong umalis dito. Tapusin natin dito.
Okay, Mr. President.